Let's create a shortcode to fetch data from an external API. So I'm going to create a new shortcode. I'm going to name it quotes remote.html. I'm going to grab the same contents that we have for the quotes local shortcode. And now I'm going to make a few changes, but basically we're going to fetch data from an external URL. We're going to fetch the JSON data, the quotes, by calling this URL. So the way to do that is by using a special function provided by Hugo, that is the get JSON function. And basically we paste here the URL that we want to call. That's pretty much it. The only thing that I need to change here is this attribute, because these JSON objects have the quote using the language of the quote. So I'm just going to rename that property. And that's pretty much it. And now I need to go back to our quotes page, and I need to change the name of the shortcode. In this case, we're going to use quotes remote. I'm going to save this. And if we go to the website, and if we refresh our quotes page, we can see here we have the 10 quotes by fetching the JSON data from an external API. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.